Rasta wenyene dufise Dr. Cloud Subuhanza mukomera amaji sana wewe. Wow! Yarigeze dread n'uwibaza ko zifise ariko Dr. Ja Rastafari.
Mukomera amaji kigingi. Kigingi avuze ngo Jeff Subuhanza Jeff Sigipara. Amana mragani. Bamwe bakubwira Dr. Cloud n'umuwandi abandi bakakubwira Dr. Cloud ashaka amazakoronka azachakureka umbe reka komebyo bavuga abo bose bigisana mambo wapiduru wewe wapiduru ya fali yawa tuendelee ama tusiendelee para mojaje sawa wapi makofi nduru kuvajamura nawe omono amotono abakobwa sutuno bashira amaboko hejuru abadufise ni bashira amaboko hejuru abadufise nababonye Rastafari yachukubira chokomera chokocho ochukubira ntanjanjanjakomera kachokochokocho reggae. Yeah man, come on. Wapi makofi ase cha shaba. I wanna tell you something. I love you, tell you something. I love you, tell you something. Sound Africans. I love you, tell you something. I try to make them understand. I try, good boy, to make them understand. Everyone, are you ready? You ready? I try, that's right, to make that I try. I'm a people understanding. Everybody push your hands in the air. Yeah, man. Say Rasta. Yes, say Rasta. All people smoke ganja. Put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air. Some people just smoke ganja. Marijuana. Everybody say, are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Avancez ici. Avancez ici, avancez. Allez, avancez. Sure. Everybody, I'm let me talk about it. Yeah, man, say. Anniversaire, notre tournoi. Everybody, yeah, man, come on, this way. This is funny. Everybody, push hands, everybody. Wapiduru. Afisa tundu, tusayangana, utwatunu. Viens, s'il te plaît, viens. Oui, là, c'est pour les livres. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee?